So is it time for you to get rid of those dingy old projector beam lights and switch over to a really cool LED light? I have two sets, one for the high beams and one for the low beams from FAHREN. And what we're going to do is we're going to install these now. While I install them, and you can see a little bit of what that process is like, while I do that, I'm going to tell you all about the specs of these because I know you want to know. And then at the end, we're going to go out tonight to see just how bright they are so you know real world what they look like. All right, let's put these things in. All right, here we go. These are the FAHREN 9005 HB3 light bulbs. These are the bright lights, the high beams. They're actually 800%. That's 8 times brighter than the stock ones. They are 33,000 lumens. They are direct fit. They just plug right back in. The color of the light is a cool 6500 Kelvin. They are IP68 waterproof, and again, a direct replacement for the old halogen ones. They include a built-in fan, which should extend the life. Now, as you can see, we are cruising around. I went and I found some nice back roads. So you can see the difference between the FAHREN low beams, which I just installed, and these new FAHREN high beams, which were installed. And oh boy, are these things pretty darn brilliant. I mean, you're seeing them go down the road. It is wild how bright they are. I mean, super cool wild. I will say the installation was easy, so easy because they are absolutely a direct replacement. You just dig yourself in there, pull out the old one, put these in, and you are ready to go. There's nothing else you need to do. If you're looking to replace your bright lights, I'm gonna highly recommend these. I've actually been using them for a couple weeks since I shot this, and I'm still using them. They're not coming out. It wasn't like a temporary thing I did just for the video. They're going to live in there. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.